Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable options trading on Robinhood step by step. I'll cover both the mobile app and web, so whichever you're using, you're covered. First, open the Robinhood app and tap the account icon. That's the person icon in the bottom right corner. If you're on web, click the account menu in the top right corner instead. Either way, your account settings menu should appear. Now, if you're on mobile, tap the menu icon, that's the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This expands the settings menu. Web users skip this step. You're already in the right place. Next, tap or click Investing. You'll find it in the settings menu. Once you click it, the Investing settings page loads. Now scroll down until you see Options Trading. On desktop, this link will be at the bottom of the menu on the left side of your screen. On mobile, it'll be at the bottom of your screen. Either way, you should see an Enable Options Trading button. Click that button, Enable Options Trading. This starts the application process. You might see a Continue button next. If so, select it to begin the questionnaire. Now, you'll work through the qualification questions. Robinhood will ask about your investment, experience, objectives, income, net worth, and risk tolerance. Answer all the questions honestly. You'll progress through multiple question screens. Complete each one. Once you finish the questions, you'll see your investor profile, summary, and the options agreement. Review everything carefully, then accept the agreement by clicking the checkbox or button. Finally, submit the application. Once you submit, Robinhood will review it. In most cases, approval is instant or within a few hours. You'll get notified in the app about your decision and what level of options trading you're approved for. If you get approved, you'll start with either level 2 or level 3. Most new traders start at level 2, which covers basic options strategies. Once you're approved, options chains will show up directly on eligible stocks when you're browsing. You can check your specific options level anytime by going back to Settings, then Investing, then Options Trading. It'll display your approved level there. If your application gets denied, you can reapply after 30 days. Just go back through the same process. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.